Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. After a big fall like around almost 200 to 250 points in Nifty and almost 900 to 1000 points in Bank Nifty, which recovered a small point during the closing session, and how it is going to be tomorrow. All these things will be discussed in this short video. Thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel. Please do refer to your friends to help me to grow this a bigger one. This video is created for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before investments. So if you see the Nifty's chart on an intraday basis on a 5 minutes candle, it opened a kind of little gap down, almost like around 50-20 points gap down, and it started shedding and it just dropped up to this 9,720 or 725 levels, from where it took a kind of support, and then it recovered few losses and able to sustain above this 9,800 mark. And you can see throughout the day up to this point, it was a kind of the selling session where the RSI was pretty much below this 40 level, and after which it clearly showed that it gained some momentum towards the upper side, and it went up, and it was a kind of very good recovery throughout the day. And Reliance was one of the key factor which closed above its the resistance level of 1600. So tomorrow resistance like Reliance is a must watch stock. If it trades above 1600, which will give Nifty a very good support. And yesterday's level which I gave both put option and call option, in which the call option not executed, whereas this put option 10,000 put option executed, which is like a open low and went up to 351. So clearly giving a kind of 211 rupees per lot as a profit in Nifty. So Bank Nifty is almost similar to the Nifty, except which the recovery was pretty much low compared to the Bank Nifty. And as usual, it took a kind of major support at this 19,800 mark. So Bank Nifty is having a very good support at 19,700 to 19,800 mark, from where it bounced back, and it went up to this 20,100 mark, and able to close above this 19,900 mark. And also, if you see, let us have a look into this yesterday's recommendation, which gave almost 537 rupees profit compared to the opening points, and the call option side not executed. And what is there for tomorrow? On a daily candlestick, you can see somewhere it is kind of a baby candle. So tomorrow level will be the same thing. So it will be like buy above or sell below levels. And Bank Nifty is also the same thing. If it goes above 19,900, we can go ahead with the put option, and if it trades about 20,000 mark, we can go ahead with a call option. And the same thing over here, if it trades below 9,800, we can execute 9,800 put option, and if it trades above this 9,850 mark, we can exercise call option. So the levels are pretty clear for tomorrow. And also, if you look at the option chain data, also this 9,900 is having a huge resistance with almost a 13.5 lakh contract, and it might take a support from this 11.8 lakh contract, which is at 9,800. So tomorrow, if it breaks this 9,800, we can expect it to go back to this 9,700 mark, where the 20 lakh open interest might give a support further for tomorrow. And what is there it at Bank Nifty again, 20,000 is a crucial level which is having a kind of major resistance tomorrow. So if it trades about 20,000 mark, we can expect a call option. Otherwise, we can go ahead with the put option. And SGX Nifty is currently trading a kind of little flat to little positive. So that is how the charts for tomorrow. And what is the recommendation? So as I discussed just before, if it trades, Nifty trades below 9,800, we can exercise 9,800 put option, which is currently trading at 118 points, and which is having a kind of break even at somewhere around 9,700 mark. So it's a pretty good decent level to look at. And if it trades above 9,850 or something like that, if it crosses above 9,850, we can exercise 9,800 put option, which is trading at 137, a little high premium, and having a break even at 9,950 marks. So the stop loss for this one will be, if it breaks above 9,800 to 825, you can exit this put option level. And on the other side, if it breaks and if it goes below 9,800 mark, you can exit your call option side. So the levels are pretty clear. On the downside we can expect 9,700 mark, and on the upside we can expect 9,900 9,950 mark. And Bank Nifty almost the same. If it breaks below 19,900 mark, we can exercise this call option, sorry, put option, and with the stop of 20,000. 100 points will be the stop loss at spot level, and we can expect it to drop below 19,800 to 19,700 mark. And on the other side, if it breaks 21,000 mark, you can exercise 19,900 or 20,000 call option, and stop loss will be 19,900, and target will be somewhere, it can reach up to 20,200 marks if it goes on the positive side. And the levels are very clear. Let me conclude. Nifty, if it breaks below 9,800, exercise put option with a stop of 9,825 to 9,050, and the target will be 9,700. And on the other side, if it goes above 9,850, you can exercise call option 9,800 call option with a stop of 9,800 mark, and the targets will be 9,900 to 10,000 marks. And Bank Nifty, if it breaks below 9,900, you can exercise 19,900 put option, and for a targets of 19,700 to 19,600 mark with a stop of 20,000. And whenever it goes above 20,000, you can exercise 19,900 or 20,000 call option with a stop of 19,900 at spot level for a targets of 20,200 to 20,300 mark. All the very best, and have a profitable and a lovely day ahead. Thanks very much. Bye.